Here is my Failsafe guide to centering. Just going to seal the clay to the wheel. And just add a little bit of water. I'm going to put this part of my hand at the base of the clay. And this hand is going to do all of the work. This hand is just there as a bit of a guide and to hold the clay. Now I'm going to anchor this arm on my leg. Some people do it on the wheel, but I'm a bit too high up for that. So I'm going to anchor on the left hand side of my body for centering, and then I'm going to put my arm into the crook of my wrist here, across like that, and hang onto the wheel there. So, and then I'm going to push in into the clay with my arm. Just a little bit of pressure. If the clay starts to get a bit sticky, you need a little bit of water. And just apply a little bit of pressure, and that pretty much centers the clay. That is centered. So I'm going to knock it off center, and I'm going to do it again. That top bit looks a bit wobbly, but it's centered down here. So then I'm just going to force the clay into that dome shape like that. And then I'm going to cone up. So again, this part of the hand is going into the base of the clay, and I'm going to push up. Into a cone shape. I'm going to go again. I'm still anchored on the left hand side here. Now I'm going to push back down. And I'm holding my hands, holding the clay inside in a dome shape. So I'm forcing a dome with my hands, and I'm pushing down with this part of this hand. Just forcing the clay to go into the dome shape that I want it to go into. Now the clay is already centered, but if I'm going to keep working with my clay, I would cone up and cone back down to just get it nicely shaped, ready for making something. That's it.